Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So my name is Ananya and in today's video I'll be showing you all how to make this very beautiful and pretty greeting card which pops up very beautifully. So like, subscribe and share. Bye guys. It's so pretty. Do try it out and share it with me. So let's start making the beautiful greeting card which you just saw. So first I'm taking the sheet of A4 size white sheet and I'll be folding it into half. Like this here. And now what I'll do is I'll take a red sheet of paper and I have folded it into half, and now I will draw a heart on it, a very big heart like this. I have drawn the heart but it will not be visible, so I'll cut it and show it to you. So I've cut my heart and I'll show it to you how it is. So this way I have cut it of this size, again fold it into half, and now what we will do is this is the heart and we will draw small boundaries on the heart here like this for the next step. Like this we'll draw, and now what I'll do is I'll keep the scale, keep the heart like this, and now you have to mark at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 centimeter. Now we'll draw lines. This way I have drawn the lines and now we have to cut them. How to cut? First this, like this, cut all the lines. So like this I have cut all the lines, and now I'll open it, so it's like this. Now we have to do alternate pop-up, like we'll take the alternate lines and we'll pop up them like this. Like I have taken this and now I'll take this. Then the next one, just fold it into half and pinch it like this. Do like this with all of them. So to make them pop up, you have to take this part like this, fold it from here and fold it from here. Like this they will pop up. Like this we have to make it. And now I'll take my sheet here and I will open it. We will keep it here, and now we have to glue it up. We apply the glue as I'm showing you. Right here on the tip. This is the leftover part. All over the leftover part here. Now keep it on the position. Don't let it slide and just close it. Just fold it like this and don't let it go outside. So it will pop up like this. Now from here, also paste the glue on the parts that you are seeing here. Now close it. And when you will open it, it will pop up like this. Looks very pretty. Now we will close it, and now what we will do is I have taken two hearts which I have cut on pattern sheets and I will paste it upon them. First I will take this heart and I'll paste it in the center, a little downwards. Now I'll take the other heart and I'll paste it here again. And now I'll take this quilling piece which I've done and I will stick it here. And just paste it like this. Now what we have to do is, now we'll draw a line like this and with a permanent marker we will trace it. Like this. And now what we will do is, I have taken some small red hearts and we will place the glue alternately like this. Like this I'm paste glue drops. And now what I'll do is, I am taking a pen which is not working and I'll dip it in a little glue and I will pick up some hearts and paste them like this on the whole line, and like this. I have pasted it on the full line and it looks very pretty. A pop-up beautiful greeting card. And now what we have to do is, I have cut this small piece of rectangle and I'll cut a triangle from both the sides. Like this from here. Like this from here. So it will make a ribbon shape. I will paste it here. And inside it we will write I love you. And like this, a very beautiful and pretty greeting card is ready. A very beautiful pop-up card. So like, subscribe and share and comment down below how was the greeting card. Bye guys. Meet you in my next video.